In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a free mobile app for your business without needing any coding skills, using Jotform. Whether you're looking to streamline your business processes or enhance customer interactions, creating a mobile app can be a game changer. And the best part? You can do it all without writing a single line of code. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to Jotform. If you're not already a member, you'll need to sign up. It's a straightforward process. Simply provide your basic information and you're good to go. If you already have an account, just log in and you'll be directed to your dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the top left and you'll see a prominent Create button. Clicking this button is your gateway to starting your app building journey. Next, you'll want to click on the Apps option. Now here you have a choice to make. You can either start from scratch if you prefer to have full control over every detail of your app's appearance and functionality, or you can choose from a variety of ready-made templates designed to save you time and give you inspiration. After deciding your starting point, it's time to add various elements to make your app functional and appealing. Think about the kinds of forms your business would benefit from. Common forms include contact forms to capture customer inquiries, order forms for seamless purchasing, or booking forms for scheduling appointments. Adding buttons can help with navigation, making your app easy to use and efficient. Don't forget to personalize your app by uploading your business logo. This adds a professional touch and reinforces your brand identity. You can also choose color schemes and fonts that reflect your brand style, ensuring a cohesive visual experience. Adjusting the layout for a clean, user-friendly look is key. If your business includes appointments, consider incorporating an appointment booking feature. Additionally, integrating payment forms is a great idea for facilitating transactions directly from within the app. It's important that your app is not only attractive, but functional. Before you finalize your app, take advantage of the preview option. This lets you see exactly how your app will look and operate on a mobile device. Make sure to test all the buttons and forms thoroughly. You want everything to work smoothly to ensure a positive user experience. When you're satisfied with how everything looks and works, you're ready to publish your app. Clicking Publish will generate a shareable app link and a QR code. These great features allow users to easily access your app. They can open it directly in their browser or install it as a shortcut on their mobile devices for quick access anytime. And there you have it, a fully functioning mobile app for your business without needing to code. By following these steps, you've not only created a digital tool that enhances customer interaction, but also streamlined some of your business processes. Thank you for watching, and happy app building.